I was reading in my bed one afternoon, and I heard a little sneeze. "Bless you," I said without looking up, and someone answered,
Please.
Perplexed, I put my bookmark in and said, "Hello, who's there?" A muffled little voice piped up.
Goodbye. Whose underwear?
"Underwear," I giggled as I got down on the floor. And underneath my messy bed, I found a bright blue snORe. If you've never seen a snORe before, they look like balls of fluff. Not much to them. They'd fly away with a teeny windy puff. Again, my snORe did a tickled sneeze, which blew him back a bit. Poor guy. I gently picked him up. Oh, but then he threw a fit. "Put me up this instant. I'm healthy, don't you see? All mixed up and straightened out, wide awake asleep." Well, my snORe was sick. That much was clear. He was backwards, just not right. He should have been asleep all day and then awake all night. But here he was, not making sense and obviously upset. And he really was the cutest snORe that I have ever met. If I didn't help him find his dreams, I knew that I'd be next. Tired, confused, and backwards too. In short, we'd both be vexed. So I bent and kissed his fluffy cheek, then hummed a quiet hum. I rocked him slowly back and forth and gently rubbed his tum. Finally, my snORe fell asleep. He stayed that way all day. As I got into bed that night, he stretched and murmured,
Hey. I'm turned around and back on track. I'm better, thanks to you.
I smiled and then closed my eyes to let my snORe do what snORes do.